Clientron, established in 1983, dedicated to providing highly integrated embedded solutions, and started to offer the services of in-vehicle solutions in 2001. With the development of in-vehicle infotainment systems as the core, combined with intelligent driving assistance systems and Internet of Vehicles applications, we are committed to producing user-friendly, secured, and durable products that have won the favors of major automakers in many regions. Clientron has been rooted in Xiamen, China, and Taiwan, and has been focusing on R&D design and system integration services. With more than 20 years of experience, Clientron is expertise in the technology of integrating the subsystems and all the resources within an electric vehicle, which will help the manufacturer to build up the advanced smart e-cockpit of the vehicles. Clientron offers ODM and OEM services for smart e-cockpit of electronic vehicle bus, including 5G electric bus cluster, electric bus body controller, digital driving recorder, electronic rear-view mirror with blind spot detection. The 5G meter cluster system is capable of integrating the information of battery, motor, and smart central control panel system into the human-machine interface, HMI, which is a central controlled interactive smart instrument that can transmit vehicle system information to the screens in time and under Clientron's strictly secured control design, as long as abnormal information is detected. The problem will be immediately displayed on the interactive smart instrument to warn the driver in real time. Also, the driving information will be simultaneously sent to the cloud monitoring center at the same time. Smart Central Control Panel System is the computer with a dashboard to display the controlling interface for various devices in the car, such as the switch function of the air conditioning control, the onboard lighting system, and so on. The digital back mirrors, with BSD, MOD, TA, are located on the left and right sides of the front seat. They have a high-resolution camera mounted outside the car and a display screen inside to show the surroundings, which can replace the existing traditional rear-view mirrors. The display screen is divided into two regions, upper 2/3 and lower 1/3, which can provide inner wheel difference, driver blind spot detection, and a pillar blind spot auxiliary sight to enhance driving safety. These will avoid any accidents that we'll regret for a lifetime. The Vehicle Data Recorder, VDR, can effectively record the driver's working hours and vehicle-related driving data. It can provide the supervision department to regularly check the driving record of the vehicle to uncover any illegal acts such as overtime and speeding. When an accident happened, it can also be used as important evidence for accident investigation and judgment. Through the data analysis of the Vehicle Data Recorder, it can further investigate the scene of the accident. Therefore, the Vehicle Data Recorder can also be called the black box of the vehicle. Moreover, the Vehicle Data Recorder, VDR, can be used in the fleet management of logistics, from the beginning of driving to the completion of the task. Fully grasping the transportation status of each vehicle, it can provide the logistics industry with cloud fleet management service in order to move towards a safe and high-efficient smart fleet. Clientron offers ODM and OEM service for intelligent in-vehicle automotive electronics platform, including ECU, Electronic Control Unit, IVI, in-vehicle infotainment, AVM, around view monitor. The in-vehicle infotainment system adopts the vehicle-specific CPU, which provides audiovisual entertainment, geographical map navigation, and mobile phone interconnection through the integrated in-vehicle information processing system. It provides drivers with a more humanized and pleasant driving experience through an interactive communication networking environment. a friendly and pleasant driving experience. Clientron aims to become the leading supplier of smart in-vehicle automotive electronics platform and Internet of Vehicle solutions.